Hello everybody, have you ever just wanted to be good in all-star trading? Well, don't worry, because now I have the solution to your problem. If you want any of these units that I can trade, you should like and subscribe, because all the units I have right there are tradable. I also have more if y'all want more, so please smash like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 30 subs before the end of the year. So yeah, that goal is still intact. Also, my birthday was August 16th. And thank you for whoever watched the birthday video. I'm still giving away those Robux and still giving away VIP. But there's only one person that's entered so far, so I don't know if that'd be unfair to everybody else that wanted. So I'm gonna wait like a week or two. Probably a week. But yeah, so I will also, Robux giveaway still applies to this. But if y'all want good trading units and All-Star, I got Eisenboys. Shield Hero, Waxus. I got Yamcha. Is that Yamcha? Yeah, it's Yamcha. I got Fujitora and a little bit more. So I got Killua and yeah. So if y'all want any good trading units, please subscribe, comment. Because I don't know who subs if you can't comment, so comment. And say you subscribed. The subscriber count will go up because, I don't have that many subscribers, so I'll see if you subscribed. So yeah. Thank you, and see y'all whoever wins. Alright, so bye. Oh, yo, this thing's about to kill us. Yo. Chill, chill. Bro, somebody kill this man. He's gonna kill us. Bro, what are y'all doing? Oh, no. Oh, how did he just die? Oh, funny Valentine. Dojan. Defauchi. Dojan. Bro, somebody kill this man! Somebody kill him! Oh my gosh! Did he just press another Funny Valentine? I have no idea what just happened. Dio, time stop! Dio! Use Dio! Yo! Somebody! Somebody! Help, bro! Somebody kill this man! I'll be dirty dancing on him. So yeah, if y'all want to enter the giveaway, go ahead, enter it. Because I like giving away stuff now. Also, because I'm not doing videos unless y'all comment it. Okay? I don't want to do videos that y'all don't like. So please, tell me what videos y'all want. And peace. Yeah.